We are looking at how to pronounce these words. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary in words in English like this one. Too many people get confused by. Stay tuned to the channel if you want to learn more pronunciations. So how do you pronounce these words? The spelling is a little bit confusing, but it's actually very easy once you know to get the correct pronunciations. In British English, it's said as bowl, bowl, okay? Now the Americans say it with a bit of a more open R sound, as in ball, ball, but it's fairly similar, and it's fine if you say it as bowl, bowl. So once you think about it, bowl. So you have a bit of an oo sound that is not completely pronounced, R sound, and then a oo sound. Bowl, bowl is how you say it. Bowl. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.